Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Bryce and I'm with Susquehanna Valley High School in Conklin, New York, and we're going over our homework for today. It is page 227 and page 228 in our packets, and we're on page 227 right now. So Arithmatic Sequences, Common Core Algebra 1 homework. An arithmetic sequence is given by using the recursive definition. The first number is 8. And every number after that is the previous number minus 2. So it says, what is the fourth number? Well, the first number is 8 because it says so. And then the second number, the rule is minus 2. Oh, so 8 minus 2 is 6. The third number, you subtract 2 again. And then the fourth number, you subtract 2 again. So the rate of change, or the slope, the rate of change is minus 2. And the question itself says, what's the fourth number? The fourth number is 2. For each case of the following sequences, determine if it's arithmetic on the information given. If it is arithmetic, fill in the missing blank. If it is not, show why. So when we do the second one, a sub 2 minus a sub 1, we get 12. When we do a sub 3 minus a sub 2, we get 12 again. So that means it is arithmetic, and we are increasing. We're adding 12. So that's 48. 48 plus 12 is 60. 60 plus 12 is 72. Great. Now this one, arithmetic, we subtract the second minus the first is negative 9,000. And so if we do this, subtract another 9,000, we get negative 8,000, and we subtract another, we should get negative 17,000. Well, that is not negative 17,000, so it is not arithmetic. It is geometric. Why is it geometric? We do the second one divided by the first one, and we get 1/10. So we're going to have to multiply this one by 1/10. 1,000 times 1/10 is 100, and 100 times 1/10 is 10. It's not supposed to go in the blank. It wants it to go down there because it says show that it's not. Here we go. Show if it's arithmetic, we have to write it in the answer blank. So I'm just following the directions a little tighter. Going a little bit faster. This answer is 28 because when we subtract those and we subtract those, we get 4. This one, think of it. 25 cents, 1 quarter. 50 cents, 2 quarters. 3 quarters. $1 is 4 quarters. $1.25 is 5 quarters. So there it is. 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarters, 5 quarters. Given the sequence to find explicit formula, this means I can find the direct, go right to the answer if I want to. Find the first 4 terms. Okay, you can use your graphing calculator and type that in. So I typed it into the y equals part, then I hit second table, and I get the table. I copy it down into my paper and it says find the first 4 terms. So I just write down the first 4 terms. Then create a recursive definition. Ladies and gentlemen, I told you yesterday, I told you the day before, for a recursive definition, all recursive definitions say a sub n, my number, that's what that means. A sub n means my number, equals the previous number. How do I know it's the previous number? Because -1, looking back, that's one number to the back. So, and then the rule. What's happening? Oh, there's the rule. We're adding 35. Now here's the deal. We have to know what the first number is with recursive definition. And this table tells us the first number is 50. So there's the recursive definition, and graph the sequence. There's the graph of the sequence. Remember that we can't connect the dots because we only deal with natural numbers, counting numbers. Okay, the next page for homework. Which of the following is an arithmetic sequence? So we test them and we say, what did I add? I added 2. What did I add? I added 4. No. I added 8. Absolutely not. What did I add? I added 0. What did I add? I added 1. Okay, so that one's out. What did I add? I added 5. What did I subtract? Okay, so I subtracted 5. I subtracted 5. I subtracted 5. Evan is building a tower out of paper cups. In each row, counting from the floor up, there are 2 less -2. That's the rule. 2 less cups than the row below it. The first row has 26 cups. State the number of cups in the second, third, and fourth row. Well, guess what? The first row has 26, and it's 2 less, so it's 24, 22, and 20. So I am going to say the second is 24, the third is 22, and the fourth is 20. Give a recursive definition. What did I say about 2 minutes ago? Everyone had better write down a sub n, my number, equals the previous number, a sub n minus 1. That means previous minus 1. Oh, what happened just 1 before? For this arithmetic situation, what is the rule? The rule is -2. Now listen to me. That has to be, nice and large. We're not doing, we're not subtracting 2 from the 1. No. A sub n, that's subscript. Just like the exponent is high, subscript is low. How many cups will be in the 11th row? Okay, so all you have to do is continue this table here. 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No way am I going to do that. So this is the recursive rule. The direct rule is just as easy to write down. A sub n equals the first number. My number that I'm looking for is the first number plus the difference, the rule, okay, times n minus 1. My number, which is the 11th row, is the first number, 26. We started with 26 cups. We started with 26 cups plus -2 times 11 minus 1. 26 plus -20 is 6 cups. Eric considers a sequence of numbers given by the following definition. The first number is 7. That's what that means. The first number, b sub 1, the first number is 7. And every number after that is the previous number plus 4. He decides that that's the rule. Well, interpret in your own words what the sequence really is. Well, no, it says we start at 7 and add 4. What did he really do? He started at what? What did he start at? He started at 4 and added 7. What should the first 4 numbers really be? Well, you start at 7 and then you add 4. So when we're adding 4, we go to 11. When we're adding 4, we go to 15. When we're adding 4, we go to 19. First number, second number, third number, fourth number. There it is. when you turn the page and we're going to start this work, you will see that this is exactly the same thing with the words arithmetic and geometric. And it says list the first 5 terms of each sequence and identify them as arithmetic or geometric. Okay, this one and all of these look a lot different. So this, just to get familiar with it, says the next number, a sub n plus 1. That's all that's saying, a sub n plus 1. Saying the next number, well, the next number is this number plus 4. And the first number is -2. So what I would write this question as is my number is the previous number plus 4. Okay, they're exactly the same question. They don't look the same, they don't taste the same, they don't smell the same, but they act the same because they are the same. Okay, just wanted to make, not to throw you off. Okay, there we go. So the rule is we add 4 and we start at -2. -2, 2, 6, 10, and 14. And since we're adding, it's arithmetic. This one still says the same thing. Now we're multiplying by 1/4 and we're starting at 8. So using your calculator work, we know that 1/4 of 8 is 2. So our first number is 2, and then our second number is 1/2, and our third number is 1/8, and our fourth number is 1/32. You can be writing down the decimals if you want to, and then our fourth number is 1/128, 1/128, and that's geometric. How do I know it's geometric? Because we're multiplying. We're multiplying, so that's geometric. Okay, so I did the first 2 questions for you right there, and you will finish page 229 and page 230 before the end of class. If you don't finish it before the end of class, it is homework. Have a great day.